House lawmakers passed a number of bipartisan bills this week. One in particular focused on combating prescription drug abuse. One America's Augusta Cassada brings us more on this from Washington.
Some joke that bipartisan cooperation is as rare as seeing a unicorn in these halls of Capitol Hill. But recently, compromise seems to be on the upswing here. Speaker Boehner noting Thursday that the new Republican Congress is getting things done.
After years of gridlock under President Obama and Senate Democrats, we're making progress on areas of common ground.
One of those bipartisan bills on its way to the Senate now is the House-approved Ensuring Patient Access and Effective Drug Enforcement Act. The measure would change the original Controlled Substances Act while clarifying enforcement authority and limits through the Drug Enforcement Administration, or DEA.
It will require the DEA to collaborate with some of the stakeholders, pharmacists, individuals who are actually prescribing these medications that are controlled substances.
Tennessee Congresswoman Marsha Blackburn is a co-sponsor of the bill. She tells One American News there's a serious need for reform, adding that prescription drug abuse now kills more people than heroin.
We know that it is an epidemic, but what has happened is that sometimes the DEA kind of gets outside of their lanes, and then it becomes very difficult for legitimate patients to get access to the medicines that they need. It's bipartisan, bicameral. We look forward to having the bill signed into law.
The House also approved two bipartisan bills to combat cyber attacks this week. There are high hopes here that the unity will translate over to the Senate and continue as lawmakers face increasingly tough issues and polarizing presidential campaigns as we gear up for 2016. Augusta Cassada, One American News, Washington.